Before we start, please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. In case you are wondering if there's anything you can do or apply to your hair to make her grow faster, then you have to watch this video, from beginning to the end to learn how to naturally make your hair grow faster at home. We'll be making use of two main ingredients, which are onions and Vaseline. Requirements: 1. 1 onion bulb. 2. Vaseline. 3. Blender. Preparation: peel off the outer shell of the onion and slice into the blender. Add 2 tablespoons of water and blend for a few seconds. Now use a filter to sieve the liquid into a small bowl. While doing that, boil a cup of water. Now add 3 tablespoons of Vaseline to the onion liquid. Pour the boiled water into a bigger bowl and place the small bowl containing the mixture inside the big bowl, then mix it until the content becomes homogeneous. Application: apply the mixture to your scalp and massage it in a circular manner. Leave it to work for an hour, then wash your hair with a shampoo. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel.